Hello, today I am going to show you how to make a hero section like this. You can see here the hero section is above the header section and header section is aligned with the bottom of the viewport. When I scroll up, you can see the header section is covering the hero section and go to up and then become sticky. So I will show you how to make it in WordPress. I am going to using Cadence themes and Cadence Pro themes. So if you don't have Cadence Pro, then you have to do it manually using custom CSS and help of the other plugins. But in this video, I will show you only how to create it using Cadence Pro. So without delay, let's start. The first thing I will go to my admin panel. I already installed the Cadence Pro, so if you don't have it, you have to install it and then go to the Cadence appearance and Cadence option. Here you can see Pro add-ons. You have to enable the hooked elements. So enable it from here. Now refresh the page. You can see here in the appearance under the Cadence there is a elements option. Click it. Here you can see the elements in the Cadence theme. You can add different section or templates or fixed item in the site. You can place it anywhere. There also not anywhere. There are some fixed places you can select it. Okay. Now I will add a new element. Look, here is the. Let me explain it. Here is the whole section. I will add the like this. The whole section I will add it to the hero section or top of the header. Well, let's go to my website. You can see the header is here and my hero section is here. I will uh, copy the headers hero section from here and put it top of the header section. So to do it, I will go to edit page. I have to copy it. Okay, before copying, let's give it a title, hero section. Okay, let's choose a section here and I will give it a background color of black, as my whole site background color is black. I will copy the section from here and put it inside the okay, remember to put it in another section if you are going to copy the whole thing. The reason is when I use the 100 viewport, 100 height of this whole viewport, I have to center the mm, hero section. You can see it in the live page. I will show you. Okay, before proceeding, I have to fix some. Okay, I mistakenly disabled the inner column height 100%. Now it's showing perfectly. Also, let's give a class name, hero section. So I can use this class name to do some custom CSS. Now go to the element settings and here you can see element type. We have to set the element type to content section, and here is the placement where you want to place it. So I won't do it before site wrapper. I put it before the header because you can see here there is a parallax effect. When I scroll, the below wrapper is covering the hero section without moving or scrolling it up. So I will try to make exact the same. So To keep do it, I will add it to the before the header section. Then I will change the display setting. You have to set it for entire site or something, but I will set it for the single page, then individually, and then for home page only. Now select it. Now publish. Okay. I Let's see here, is it updated or not. You can see there, here is my header, and before the header here is my hero section. There is a duplicate section, so I have to hide it for now. Let's Okay, I will hide it from the visibility section and save it for now. Now go to the front end. Now you can see my hero section is before the header section. Okay, let's make the header section uh, at the end of the top end of the viewport. So to do it, I have to first measure the header height. Here you can see the when you select or inspect the header section, you can see there is the height of 91. You can see 991 here. So I remember it. Also, I have to, here you can see hero section, the class is added. So I will now go to customize setting. Here I will calculate, I will make this hero section height 100 BW or 100 BH, and then minus the header section height. So to do it, I am going to set minimum height. I have to calculate the minimum height as for different skin sizes. So let's 100 BH minus 91 pixel. Here you can see it's it's now in the bottom of the skin. Now there is another issue. It's not centered. Now in Cadence block, there is another thing we have to add. Here you can see when in the hero section there is another inner section, and then our raw or content. So I have to mm, give the minimum height to this section, not the hero section. I have to give it to the inside inner call, get inside inner call section. So to do it, it's a universal class, so I can't directly do it. So I have to first call the hero section class, then I have to uh, give a arrow and then put the class. So it will only applied in this section, which is under hero section, and in this, not any other inner section. You can see inside inner section, here you can see other section. So if you do it for if you don't give it, it will apply all the sections, so the site will get broken. So to keep it the exact, I have to do it here. Okay, let's make it important. Now I have another things to do here. In the section I have added in the elements, you have to align it middle. Now save it. Okay, let's refresh it. You can see it's aligning in the center. Now you can see the header is going some part of below. It's because of this WP header. I can go to a new incognito tab. Here you can see it's showing perfectly. Okay, now go to the settings again. Now I need to make this header section sticky. So to do it, go to customize again and go to the header design, not design, no, sticky header, and yes, main row only. Now publish it. You can see here it's working now. You can enable other things like shrinking, reveal sticky on the on scroll up, but I don't need it now. So just keep it like this. Okay, let's go to a new tab. Here you can see, you can scroll and see the rest of the page. Now I will try to make this effect. You can see the hero section is sticky and only my below section is going up. To do it I need to do some custom css. So first go to customize again. I have to add custom css here. Okay, first I will copy this class. I will make this section position sticky top 0. To make it working I have to make the parent element relative. So I will go to the parent. Here is the parent element. I will make it position relative. You can see it's now working, but I have to adjust some other things. I will copy it from here as I change the position to relative and paste it here. I will remove this as it's duplicated value. Okay, now here is another thing. You can see that my section is not footer section is not showing backward, or I have to give a background color for the whole wrapper. Whole wrapper means the content wrapper. To do it, let's go to the page layout and go to the design section, and here you can see, okay, there is already content background color is given, but it's not working. So I will give the content background color from here. Let's go wrapper. Okay. So I will copy this class and give it a background color. Background hash 00. Okay, maybe background color. Okay. So now it's not working. Let's try it. Okay, I will need to check something before processing. Okay, it's working. Okay, let's yeah. Okay, Z index. Okay, I am missing the Z index, so I have to keep the give the Z index, so it will cover the whole section. Okay, let's customize. Okay, now you can see it's working exactly the same. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.